The hardest thing to carry is feeling bad when someone else does well. We look around and think, why are they doing so great? And I am still stuck. It is a bad habit. We forget that trying to live someone else's life will only make us very tired. If a fast cat tries to beat a fish in a swimming race, it will spend its whole life thinking it is no good. Today, with phones and social media, we see everyone's best moments. This makes us feel even worse. We forget what we are good at because we only look at what others are doing. This makes us stop believing in ourselves. That is why today's story is for anyone who has ever felt like they are not good enough. The words you are about to hear can change how you see things forever. Listen closely. In a quiet town between big mountains, lived a young man named Leo. He worked hard and had a kind heart. But one bad thing always made him sad. He always compared himself to others. When his friend Julian got a big new house, Leo thought, why am I still living in this small house? When he saw another man, Marcus, lifting heavy stones easily, Leo felt bad about his own strength. Always looking at others took away his happiness. He could not enjoy his food, his work, or his life. He felt stuck. He always thought, I will never be as good as them. One evening, an old, smart man named Master Silas came to the town. Everyone knew Silas gave very good advice. Wanting help, Leo went to him. Master, Leo said sadly, I work very hard, but when I see others doing well, I feel like I am worth nothing. It feels like I am always behind. Master Silas gave a kind smile. Meet me at the edge of the big valley when the sun comes up tomorrow. Your answers are waiting for you there. The next morning, as the sun came up, Leo found Silas waiting. Tell me, Leo, what do you see? Silas asked. Leo looked out. I see big, strong oak trees. And down below, tall, thin bamboo. Silas nodded. Think about this. What if the bamboo cried all day because it was not as thick as the oak tree? Or what if the oak tree felt bad because it could not dance in the wind like the bamboo? Would that not be sad? Leo laughed. That makes no sense, Master. They are completely different, Silas said. Exactly. The oak tree gives great shade, and the bamboo can bend to live through the worst storms. Both are perfect, just the way they are. Then Silas pointed to the sky, where a big bird was flying, and down to the grass, where a wild horse was running fast. Now, what if the horse looked up and hated himself because he could not fly? Or the bird felt like a failure because it could not run as fast as the horse? That would be silly, Leo said right away. The horse belongs on the ground, and the bird belongs in the sky. Silas put a hand on Leo's shoulder. Then why, my boy, do you judge yourself by looking at someone else's life? You have your own special gifts, but you are too busy looking at others to find them. The bad thoughts in Leo's mind broke away. He finally understood that wanting someone else's life only hurts your own. From that morning on, Leo stopped looking around. He stopped comparing his steps with anyone else. He put all his focus on his own skills and his own work. Slowly, he started to believe in himself again. Life began to feel happy, fresh, and fun once more. A few years later, with a lot of hard work, Leo built his own great business. He became a huge inspiration to everyone in the town. When someone asked him, "How did you become so successful?" he would smile and say, "Never measure your worth using someone else's life. If a horse tries to fly, it will always fall and feel like a failure. But if it runs, it can own the whole world. Remember, the sun and the stars never fight to be the best. They just shine when it is their time. Find your own path. Walk it happily in your own way. That is when real success comes." Thank you for watching Innerra Tales. If this story helped you, give it a like and share it with others. See you again in a new story.